So in this video, we'll just be showing you how to change or have a kind of different design for your bullet points in Canva. Since if you take a look at the bullet points that Canva gives, you can only really change the kind of list sign. You can put it as points, numbering, and the color. That's all you can do for the bullet points. You can either change the style, the type, or the color of the bullet points. But if you don't want that, there are a few options you can do. One of them is making use of elements. Let's say you want a different kind of bullet point, or you can just add your kind. So let's make this cat as our bullet point. You can do something like that or something. So that's one way. That was pretty much very simplified. You can use some sort of template. Let's say you're using this one, and all you have to do is change the text, or you could copy this element and put it to your design. But this is already a bullet point by itself. And other than using templates or just using other kinds of elements and individually putting them as bullet points, you can also use a website for symbols. Let's say here, we're in symbolsdb.com, and we can just use any kind of symbol that is available in their website. I want to use this star symbol because it's somewhat cute. Let's use a simple star over here, and we're gonna go back to our Canva design, and we're gonna go put and paste it. We can right click and press on paste, or we can press on Control V, and here's our little icon or symbol. You can put it behind the text as well, like so, and then paste. And you can do it to as many as you want. So that's almost one way you can do this. If you want it smaller, of course, you do have that option. Just make sure you're not doing it to every other text or element, but that pretty much depends on you. This is a pretty powerful tool you can use, and it just depends on your own creativity and the sources that you have. But those are a few options, I suppose. If you want to change your bullet points in Canva, you can even change this color as well if you'd like. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.